Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the hottest topics of 2025: how to make money online. The internet has completely changed the way we work, earn, and even think about careers. Gone are the days when you needed to sit in an office for 8 hours just to make a living. Now, with just a laptop and an internet connection, there are thousands of opportunities waiting for you. But here's the problem. So many people don't know where to start. The online world is full of scams, fake promises, and get-rich-quick schemes. That's why, in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 proven and realistic ways to make money online in 2025. These methods are already working for thousands of people around the world, and if you put in the effort, they can work for you too. So, grab a notebook, because I'm not just giving you ideas, I'll break down step by step how each method works, what you need to get started, and how much you can realistically expect to earn. Let's get into it. First up is freelancing. This is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to make money online. The idea is simple. You provide a skill, and clients pay you for your services. Skills can range from graphic design, video editing, and copywriting to programming, translation, and even voiceover work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect millions of freelancers with businesses that need help. The beauty of freelancing is that you don't need a degree or years of experience. What matters most is your ability to deliver quality work. Here's how to get started. 1. Identify a skill you have or one you're willing to learn. For example, if you like writing, you could learn copywriting or blog writing. If you enjoy tech, try web development or app design. 2. Create a strong profile on freelancing platforms with examples of your work. Even if you don't have clients yet, create mock projects to showcase your skills. 3. Start small. In the beginning, it's about building trust and collecting positive reviews. Once you've got a few successful projects under your belt, you can raise your prices and attract bigger clients. Potential earnings? Beginners may make a few $100s per month, but experienced freelancers can earn $3,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on their niche. The second way is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and even podcasts are booming in 2025. People crave content, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. And if you can deliver it, you can build an audience and turn that audience into income. You might be thinking, but the market is saturated. Yes, it is competitive, but it's not too late. Every day, new creators break through with unique ideas. The key is consistency and niche targeting. Here's how you can start. Choose a niche that you enjoy and that people are searching for. Examples: personal finance, productivity hacks, tech reviews, or even lifestyle vlogs. Focus on short-form content first. YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos can blow up your channel much faster than long videos in the beginning. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own products. Some creators make just a few $100s a month, while others build million-dollar brands. The difference? Consistency, audience engagement, and smart monetization strategies. Commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it as digital word of mouth. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product. You just need an audience. This could be through a blog, a YouTube channel, or even social media accounts. Here's the simple process. 1. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. 2. Pick products that are relevant to your audience and that you truly believe in. 3. Create content around those products, reviews, tutorials, or best of lists. For example, if you have a tech channel, You can promote gadgets from Amazon. If you're into fitness, you could promote supplements or workout equipment. Earnings can vary a lot. Beginners might earn $100 per month, but top affiliates make 6 or even 7 figures annually. The secret is choosing the right niche and building trust with your audience. Fourth on our list is print on demand and digital products. Print on demand means you design something, like a t-shirt, hoodie, or mug, and a third-party service handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. You don't have to worry about inventory or upfront costs. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful make this possible. Similarly, digital products are booming. These include things like ebooks, templates, or stock photos. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again with no extra effort. The process. If you're artistic, create designs for clothing and upload them to print-on-demand platforms. If you're more into writing, make an ebook or digital guide on a topic you know well. Market your products on social media, Etsy, or your own website. The scalability here is huge. Some people earn a few extra bucks per month, while others build entire 6-figure businesses just from digital products. The fifth method is creating online courses. Education is shifting online faster than ever, and people are willing to pay for knowledge. If you have expertise in something, whether it's cooking, coding, photography, or business, you can package that knowledge into a course. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to upload and sell courses. The key is providing value. Your course doesn't have to be super advanced. Even beginner-level tutorials are in high demand. Here's how to get started. 1. Pick a topic you're confident in and people want to learn about. 2. Outline your course into small, easy-to-digest lessons. 3. Record using a decent microphone and screen recorder or camera. Potential earnings? It varies, but some instructors earn thousands of dollars per month. The best part? Once the course is up, it becomes passive income. Number 6 is remote jobs and virtual assistants. Not everyone wants to run a business, and that's okay. The demand for remote workers is higher than ever. Virtual assistants, for example, help businesses with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, and research. Websites like Remote.co, FlexJobs, and We Work Remotely list thousands of opportunities. If you have skills like organization, communication, or tech savviness, this could be your entry point. Pay can range from $10 to $25 per hour, and specialized roles like project management or customer support can pay even more. And finally, one of the most exciting opportunities in 2025, AI-powered side hustles. Artificial intelligence tools are everywhere now. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Synthesia, and people are using them to save time and make money. Here are just a few examples. Using AI to write articles for blogs and selling them. Creating AI-generated artwork and selling prints. Building chatbots for businesses. Even making YouTube videos using AI voiceovers and avatars. The trick here is not to rely entirely on AI, but to add your own creativity and human touch. The people who succeed are those who use AI as a tool, not a replacement. So there you have it, 7 proven ways to make money online in 2025. From freelancing and content creation to affiliate marketing and AI-powered side hustles, there's truly something for everyone. But here's my final tip. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one method, stick with it for at least 6 months, and give it your full effort. The biggest mistake beginners make is jumping from idea to idea without ever mastering one. Remember, making money online isn't about luck. It's about consistency, skill building, and persistence. If you start today and stay focused, you'll be amazed at where you can be in a year from now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And let me know in the comments, which of these 7 methods are you most excited to try? See you in the next video.